Do you know the people whom you had seen just now? Yes, you guessed it correctly. They are the world's billionaire who is none other than that Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Have you ever thought like who will be the or who is the world's billionaire woman? No, right? Now it's a time to know and speak about the world's youngest billionaire. Hello everyone, this is Nandana G. Krishnan here and today I am going to tell you about the world's youngest billionaire woman. Meet Whitney Wolfe Herd, who is the CEO and founder of the Bumble, which is a social dating app. Speaking about her, she was an executive at the Tinder, which is also an dating app. She was working as a vice president at the Tinder. During her work time in Tinder as a female worker, she had faced many of the problems and she had went through many pains as well. Not only that, she had even faced the sexual harassment that too from her own co-workers. By the year 2014 April, she decided to quit on Tinder, and not only that, she had also filed a lawsuit against the co-workers of her being a victim to the sexual harassment. And at the same year, that is 2014, December 2014, she founded her company, that is the Bumble, which is also a social dating app. When she quitted the Tinder on 2014 April, she realized that she got so much of hate through online, and while she was facing and going through that situation, she got the vision where she can give the job opportunities mainly to female workers, and this idea and vision made her to develop her own company, that is a Bumble, which is also the social dating app. With being the Bumble, she founded the Bumble in the year of December 2014, and by December 2015 it has reached 15 million messaging, and not only that, it has also got 80 million matchmaking. And this was a milestone in her career, that too as a youngest entrepreneur and youngest CEO and founder of a company. She is an American entrepreneur, and by the year 2021, she had estimated a net worth of $1.5 billion. And not only that, she had become so much of inspiration to others also, not only for others, for other women workers who are facing or like similar situation which she had went through. And with that vision, she came up with the idea where she can provide the job opportunities mainly to the women. And by the year 2021, she has made the company go public. And not only that, for the party of being the company going to public, she had came up with her 1-year-old son. As a parent and as a mother, she had that courage and that determination where she can also provide a job opportunities to various female workers or a mother. And she became the world's youngest billionaire woman at the age of 31. And here I want to tell you that no matter what the situation is, it's like just never give up, and you need to be having this determination and confidence that you can also be being an inspiration and also to help the people who is in need of like you. I hope this have added some value to you. Thank you each and everyone for watching this video.